Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Happy what's today? Wednesday. I've missed you guys. It's been a while since I've posted a video. My last video was the Wingstop video back in January. But I've missed you guys. I haven't forgotten about you guys. I hope you haven't forgotten about me. But I've just been busy with work and life, and you know how it goes. We all get busy, but you guys are still in my heart. I still love doing mukbangs. Um, I've just been really busy that it's in the back of my head, in the back of my mind, but I haven't been feeling it. I haven't been feeling like filming any mukbangs, but anyways, I've been good. Nothing major has happened. Just, work and stuff like that. But I am excited today for this meal. I haven't had In Out in quite a while now. I think it was like 3 months ago since I've had In and Out. But first of all, happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I have a 3x3 mustard fried with pickles. Mustard fried comes with pickles, and I have onions. And I have a animal style fry, fried well done, because I like them a little bit crispy. And that's my neighbor, so don't mind him. So let's start. I think I'm gonna start with the fries. Oh, grab something to eat. Come eat with me, or just enjoy watching me eat. I'm gonna have a Diet Coke to drink. Getting the fork out. Let's see. So how have you guys been? Anything new with you guys? It's already what, March? Oh, I was gonna do a Valentine themed video, but obviously that didn't work out. They had these cute little heart-shaped ravioli that were pink and red in color. That would have been a very cute video. Maybe next year. But yeah, nothing's new with me. Just working. Just work and stuff. Are you guys excited? The days are getting longer. I think, yeah, next week, I just checked. Next week is daylight savings time, where we get an hour back. I can't wait. My little seasonal depression, I think is what I had. Where, like during the winter months, you're very like blah. But now that the sun is out and it's getting warmer, I've been feeling a little better. Let me give you guys a bite. Oh, let me put some spread on it. 1 second. Yeah, if you're watching this, give me some ideas of what you want to see me eat. So let's put some spread on there. Give you guys the first. Well, I'll give you guys a bite because I already. Oh no, there you go. So, I recently caught up with an old friend of mine. I haven't seen her in like, God, it's been so long. I want to say like almost 10 years. But my sister told them that I was doing mukbangs and their reactions were so hilarious. They're like, oh my God, turn it off. I can't watch it. Victor's killing himself, which is like a normal response, you know. But trust me, guys, I'm not even gonna go there because I know there's gonna be a lot of people with a lot of opinions about mukbangs. But you know, you do you, I do me. So do you guys, how do you guys like your In and Out fries? You guys like them the regular way? Because I know you can get them well done or light fried. I always go for well done because I like how crispy they are. All right, I'm gonna take one more bite of these fries and I'm gonna go in on this burger. Oh, they just they opened at Raising Cane's back in December, and it's finally died down. I went there last week, and there was like no wait. Like the first month or two, there were so many cars in the drive-thru, and I went there with a friend, and we waited, not in the drive-thru, but we waited in the lobby for like almost 2 hours to get our food. But it was worth it because the food was still hot and it was fresh. And I confused Raising Cane's with Zaxby's because I went when I was in Utah, they had a Zaxby's, and when they opened this up, I was like, I've had them already, but I guess they're not the same. But they both sell chicken strips. I have to say though, their chicken strips are really good. Their toast is good, and that sauce is really good. So maybe if I remember, if I don't get too busy, I will do a Raising Cane's video. But if you want me to, if you want to see me do a Raising Cane's video, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Also leave a comment. Little chicken emoji if you want to see me eat Raising Cane's. Because I need to know what you guys want to see me eat, you know what I'm saying? Well, sometimes I run out of ideas of what to film. So if you guys can do that, I'd really, really appreciate it. On to the burger. I don't know if I talked about this in my last In and Out video, but I never knew that In and Out had pickles. I never knew. The cheese paper. Look at that. Oh, that's kind of messy on this side. All right, let's ready. Let's get ready for this bite. Oh, they also have a Shake Shack. So maybe I'll do that and the Raising Cane's this month. The only restaurant that they don't have here that I really want to try is the Halal Guys. Apparently they were supposed to open one in Sacramento, but something with the building fell through and they weren't able to. So the closest one is in San Francisco, and that's like almost 2 hours. I mean, if I was going there with friends, I'd probably stop by, but I'm not gonna like drive there alone to try it. But I heard it's really good. But I do have some friends up there that I've been meaning to visit, so maybe I'll do a live there. Also that too, I haven't done any lives because it takes a lot of planning. Those grilled onions are so good. You know, it never fails. Every time I film a mukbang, it just gets noisy. Whenever I'm not, it's really quiet in this area. Oh, I was also at Wendy's like last month, and I saw that they had I think it was 50 nuggets for like 12 bucks. And I was just seriously considering doing a challenge. So, if you guys want to see that, leave a comment down below and let me know and like the video. Or better yet, leave a comment down. Do you want to see me do Raising Cane's? There was my neighbor again. Don't mind him. Raising Cane's or the Wendy's 50 nugget challenge. I YouTubed it and there was a challenge, but it seemed like it wasn't really popular. But if you guys want to see me do that, then I mean, I'll do that for you guys. You just gotta let me know. Oh, it's falling apart. Last bite. It's gonna be a big one. Cheers, guys. That was so good. Thank you guys for joining me for this meal. I can't even talk right now. Before I end the video, I do want to say and express my gratitude for all the new subscribers, all my current subscribers for sticking with me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And I know this was a short video. I just wanted to pop in, let you guys know I'm still alive. But with that said, I really do appreciate all you guys. And if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and consider subscribing. And until I see you guys in the next video, bye.